Hi. Thanks for joining in and welcome to Southbridge. This video will walk you through how to detect a human face within an image using the face-api.js, a JavaScript API for face detection and face recognition in the browser implemented on top of the tensorflow.js core API. If you want to follow along, you can download the source code from the description box. Let's take a look on what we are going to build. We can select a picture and then our web application will determine if there is a human face within the image. It will also tell us if the image uploaded does not contain a human face like this one. Now let's download the face-api.js library and we will copy the necessary files only. Now find the dist folder and copy all the JS files in it and paste into our project directory. After that, we need to copy the weights folder and rename it into models folder. Now we're ready to create our HTML file. Now in the index.html, we will reference face-api.js script and set a defer attribute. The defer attribute will prevent the DOM content loaded event from firing until the script has loaded and finished evaluating. Then we'll set the necessary tags like input image. Now in our JavaScript, we'll get the input element and reference a function to its change event. We will set this handle image upload function as async so that we can use the await keyword. This function will get the image selected using the input element and will preview or display the image into the image element. Now it's time to detect the faces. We will get the AI models from the face-api.js. We will get the tiny face detector model, the face landmark model and the face recognition model. After that, we will get the image from the image tag that we have displayed and we will supply it as a parameter to the detect all faces method. We will also chain methods like with face landmarks and with face descriptors. Now if the detection's length is greater than 0, then we will display an alert that there is a human face detected. If not, we will display an alert that there is no human face detected. I will just copy some CSS to arrange our HTML. Now it's time to test our work. Let's select an image and wait for the alert box to appear. So that's it. That's how to detect a human face in JavaScript in the browser. See you in the next video. Thanks.